Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new file named for the project. Set row 1 as headers and freeze it so labels stay visible. This prevents entry errors. Define each column's data type, date, number, text, or a drop-down, and adjust column widths for readability. Once done, insert sample rows to test formats. Make sure date and numeric formats behave as expected. This first step reduces rework and establishes a consistent structure before bulk entry begins. You now configure validation and layout to guide accurate entry. Apply data validation to create drop-downs or numeric rules so you control allowed values and prevent typos. Add conditional formatting rules to highlight duplicates, missing data, or out-of-range numbers. This gives instant visual feedback as you type. Then set protected ranges and adjust sharing permissions to prevent accidental edits. Once configured, test with a few entries to confirm rules trigger correctly. This saves time. You complete data entry by working efficiently and cleaning as you go. Use Tab and Enter to move quickly between cells, Ctrl+D to fill down, and Ctrl+Enter to edit multiple cells. Use filter views to focus on subsets, find and replace to fix patterns, and split text to columns for pasted data. Once done, run a quick cleanup. Trim stray spaces, standardize date formats, and remove duplicates. If something breaks, check validation rules and cell formats first. Often a wrong format causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.